Okay, welcome back. So now in this video, I will teach you how to install a theme before we can choose a design. Okay, so I need you to log in to your new WordPress website dashboard. So after you log in, you should see something like that. So once you log in, go to Appearance, click on Themes, Appearance, Themes, and click on this button, Add New. We are going to search for a theme, and the name is called Zakra, Zakra. Okay, so this is the theme that we're going to install. Click on Install. Okay, so once it's installed, click on Activate. Okay, so now you have activated the theme, and after you have activated the theme, you can see this button Get Started with Zakra. Just click on it. So now this means you have successfully installed this theme. In the next video, let's choose a design for your website. See you then.